Okay, FM 101.7.
Enkra abetoya pronso kire se free senior high school ese wa musika sese ekono ebedi le kakra na yenko owura Eko Vincent asefua ho PRO di ma Ministry of Education ko bisa nse enkomo yi ete sei owura Eko Vincent asefua me moache me tiri da se bi efe ma happy years so
many happy
no ami maba uncha no pay ya enkwara ni sika no a ese ko various senior high school mu no ne fa he na enkoye a delay na eyedi entia
okay we share the objective mention kind of no
ayi ese Eko bi wo phone mu wada ma unye ni ye ma ye wada ma
Patroya kaka
ayi emuye pa yenti
and then the day became many okay so made community I manage the work kwanya especially for us at the Ministry of Education lukwe no am to say passing penny for the media more engaging media no and they were claiming say Sikabia also as far as the starting of the second semester no concern Sikano Mkoe main plan to be put it on record say Ministry of Education and the Ghana Education Service they school biaka as far as the first semester is concerned. Put differently, we are on current payment for the first semester. The academia of school for the first semester. Because of the double track implementation, into some amount of adjustments about the calendar. Into ebia sukwa no senke ebia ebia no na wotwe sene na wotwe mi no sene ntino yesesa calendar ni ntino ema ebia ebi entam enti some arrangement na nka wosenke sipa no kontam no ama no agile enti second semester yi no kra ni nyame ni no kra sika bia nyanko but there has been informal agreement, and if you like, formal agreement because Ministry of Education paying for free SHS and paying for Ghana Education Service and paying for Asia CAF and paying for, and we share our money. Sound to change that by informally no arrangement be by promotion within the first 1 week and 2 weeks, I don't see any problems senior high schools. Let me also put it on record say within the next 10 days, by now through the Ministry of Education, the BTIA, Sikadia, all the various schools are over the internal processes or set 3 years period. AGPR. They are Sikano Butinian Corona for Basa and Asa, which will be outbound where your Mosana so senior high school in the NHS Sikano. It's my main first opinion, so and I wish you more wisdom. And I said, Bushens and Bama, yes, and paying for said credit in the challenges that you can go through if these payments are not made in the first 2 weeks. Two teachers in paying for one the culture said, arrangements be over internally, more so that they are within the first 2 weeks, problems be Emma. Name more problem, and I said, then she na and to me, more than 2 weeks, but more than 2 weeks, some to me apa nti yen so a ye Ministry of Education na Ghana Education Service no ye be hwe na boy homoden na anyway no ya na gampa sika bia wo se tua de ma ye chance mpian for no ye tua adi mo
ye ka say ebre be na sese wo mu bie ma bie dada ye ka sa no ye ka say ebre be na sese wo mu bie wo ma bie dada ana se
o ma bie be some few days ago be na me na chi
na no na ye hwe a ekwan be na wo mbefa so atimi apɛ bibia masa bia ne nkwada ye die opum se bia se sika beba ana wo mo contingency message bia wo mo timi kwaje bia enuane nnuade de ne sika ba na gye de akoteka
na internally arrangements you mo se ni sika bia ne ye pa aye sika ye aduane nti sika bi wa ayo for other things and na aye carry forward nti wo mo timi arrange mo na joma please no dey free e bia people used to just come and started na no daba nti internally arrangement for from mo na mo dia show mo first 2 weeks and Papa stock on so and no amount that so to train for more and also some amount of informal agreement Papa stock on so I say ni no medical care adjustments, on the calendar. Now, Massa, we about it. Even with that, you were able to have some contingency arrangements with them. Maybe within the first 1 week and 2 weeks, to me, I show minimum no penny. Says you can one after 2 weeks, however, and no one America trust the young Ghana Education Service. How we are promising the Ghanaian people that within the first 10 days, actually 10 working days, maximum, to make a GS cannot be
and yet, Medasi, na MPP ba ban mo beba no mo bo free senior high school ho boshe se mo ba mo be ye 3 years on in government mo ye. The story so far so we can kakra bi a kire enura mo ba ban mu na ye mfie miensa. So far, what is the story like?
Well,
me ba jo eko nu saba wada una enko
kwenya mi o hwe dwumadia ye deal with Ministry of Education 3 years coming back yes ye dipuma asif se bio ya wa ban for 8 years because there were a number of ambitious promises and manifesto promises in the MPP's manifesto in 2016. Again, na make us and then na me no ka say ikobusa abanda danwa the culture said teacher training allowance be on the bar myself training because who how even within the budget no obetumi amanage amano sika se no say teacher training allowance who how obetumi pia free senior high school education and was saying teacher a church foka utia nurses foka utia doctor foka no man obra even have economic indicators for the first time from 8.6 that's go back to 3.5. How I know. In 3 years on, which for us at the Ministry of Education, you to me achieving not less than 70% of our promises are and I said the same manifesto. Yes, we talked about redefining basic education. Yeah, yes, because you had the pre-tertiary bill and you have to parliament that is the agricultural sector. The parliament, and I say parliament EP, it is one of the bills that they are going to consider in the Ghana's parliament in 2020. A bill that can be saying you are going to convert college of education to university colleges. And now I know because when you say for the first time a bill of college of education or co for 4 years nipa ne be ene a 4-year degree into to no 9 can no we go a church for 6 years na wabaji diploma we are so no first up and also in a master's the concentration in class will not even be there and no and see wow we have also reviewed the curriculum at the college level and at the university colleges.
Okay.
Into the man telling about one is our class and no and also McCoy a good track over the various classrooms. Na KG to primary sections to know that's a review curriculum. In 2 things by and large, in no time you are going to see some amount of very positive results because at the college level the review curriculum. Then at the KG to primary 6, the review curriculum. The amount of university colleges and more over the various schools.
Okay.
See, most of the things are we're promising the people. We know and we are hopeful that we are able to achieve quite a lot. And then, across the country, the number of kindergartens that we are creating because in the manifesto, this year we said we are going to expand access to Nkwada because normally if you don't have enough access, you know, we are 6 years now until go school 7 years not fear. We going to start at the age of 9. Academic education. So we have been able to put in place, and I said we have built more than 100 kindergartens across the country, and that is supposed to aid in making sure that we expand access. Kwame,
you can't see a card, I give boy. You better bro. I mate. You better bro. No, but Brentina, Yafi, you better answer. You decide you come 1 year on. Minister some 3 years on. Minister some hopa. Why? But that's no problem. We shall so. All right, Echo Vincent Asifua. A PR Roman Minister of Education and any come. Okay, 101.7.
Okay, FM 101.7.